So what we're going to do is we're going to check the engine oil, the transmission stroke hydraulic lifting arms. It's no hydraulic oil, it's the normal oil, the same as what goes in the engine, and we'll check the water in the radiator. So pull out the dipstick. You can see on this side you've got a mark here, that's maximum, so we'll give that a clean, put it back in, pull it out, and you can see the oil's up to about there. So it's fine, it's no too low, no too high. So the engine oil looks okay and it's pretty clear. We'll go around this side. This in here is the dipstick for the oil that's in the transmission. So pull that out and you can see you've got a, let me clean it, you've got a min and a max. So put it in, pull it out, and you can see we're just below the max. I think there's 30 litres in that transmission. So basically that oil is, well, what I've got in here is SEA30. That's the same as the engine oil. It's no hydraulic. I know they've got hydraulics at the back, but they run off of this engine oil. So now we'll check the radiator. So I'll lift the lid. And the radiator cap is in here. And you can see the water's right up, so it's fine. I'll no check how strong the antifreeze is, because I think we did that back in November and it was doing to, I was giving this coverage to like -20, -22. So that's just a brief wee check of the oil and the water. So they're looking good. What we'll do is we'll give it its 2026 spring wash, just to get any dust off it that's gathered on it over the winter period. So that's it, ready for a wash.